What's up you guys, welcome back and welcome if you're new. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you 2 steps on how to prevent your tailgate from getting jacked that are under 30 bucks. So let's go ahead and get into the video and I'll show you what that is. Alright, really quick you guys, off topic, I did want to mention something. So if you guys do remember, I replaced all my speakers, I replaced my tweeters, and I also added an amplifier and of course the subwoofer. So I did tell you guys in that video that one of these days I was going to upgrade that amplifier and I was going to upgrade that subwoofer. So the day has come, I'm super excited. I did end up getting OEM Audio Plus. I didn't only get the sub or the amp, I also got all the speakers and tweeters. So stay tuned for that video. I'm super excited for it and I'll let you guys know why in the upcoming videos. Let's go ahead and get to the actual install. Before we jump into the video, I did want to give a big thanks to Cars On Board and also ROBMOTIVE here on YouTube. If you want to check them out, go ahead and go in the description box below. They did give me this idea on both the timing of how quick it is to remove this and also the actual tip on what to do to prevent this from getting jacked. I'm going to go ahead and show you now how fast and easy this really is to get stolen.
Go.
And that's it. So as you guys just saw, it's super easy to remove this. 14-15 seconds. I didn't completely remove it because I don't want to risk dropping it, but that's how easy it really is to remove it. So the first tip I would honestly give you guys is 1, either get a pop and lock, or 2, which is the cheaper, more budget type solution, which is what I did. I do have a video on that. It's going to be in the description box below as well. And that's basically a lock for your tailgate. It's similar to the pop and lock, but it's more of, like I said, a budget one, and you can do it yourself at home with just a couple tools and less than 20 bucks. So I would highly recommend doing that if you guys can't afford the pop and lock. So the next tip I would give you guys on how to prevent it, I'm gonna go ahead and open it right now and I'll show you what it is. So I just told you guys which is the first tip to go ahead and get, which is under 20 bucks. The second tip, I'm gonna show you first on how you can remove the tailgate and why this next step is gonna be really important. So when you lift this up a little bit, you can then remove this latch. It's really easy, just like that. And then you remove, of course, the opposite side as well. And then after removing it, you're gonna notice here, there's an opening. And then you just go ahead and pull up. That's how easy it really is to steal these tailgates. That's why the 2 tips that I have for you today are really awesome. So you guys saw the first tip. The second tip is gonna be getting one of these hose clamps here. So this is gonna be the part number. It's like $2 for 2 of these bad boys here, and I got them at Lowe's. So that's a really good price to save your tailgate. You need one because on the opposite side, there is no open notch like that. It's nice and secure. So we're only gonna do 1 and then we should be done. Let's go ahead and get into the install. So as you can tell, so these are basically hose clamps. I know it's not really for this, but it's gonna help you save thousands of dollars. So all you do is you're gonna go ahead and wrap it around, just like that. Now you get your flathead and you wanna go ahead and tighten that. So that's basically it. And it doesn't get in the way of anything. You can still close it, open it with no problem. Just like that, really simple. Flathead screwdriver, screw that on, wrap it around, super simple, nothing too hard. So now that little thing that costs you less than $2 is gonna save you thousands of dollars. So now if you try to remove your tailgate, it's not gonna let you go anywhere. So by doing so, it's of course gonna prevent anybody that was gonna want to steal it, probably just say never mind because of that extra step they have to do that they weren't thinking about. So as simple as that was, nice and simple to close it. It doesn't get in the way of anything. It doesn't rub, nothing like that. So you don't gotta worry about scratching your paint or anything like that. Nice and easy. I can't really show you on camera because once I close the gate, or once I close the tailgate, it's gonna block the view. But like I said, it doesn't bother anything. Still have the normal functions. So now that I'm done, I'm just gonna go ahead and close my tailgate, lock up my truck. Now I have peace of mind. So if you guys like this video, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. See you guys next time. Peace. Okay, let's do that one more time.